Hi, I am Alex Hofer, Operations Manager at Borderland Manufacturing, which is a part of Pembina Colony in Manitoba, Canada. We started in 2010, so 14 years ago now. And at that time we started with just one CO2 laser. And we have upgraded to a couple of fiber lasers, and one of them being the Eagle, and I think it has helped us immensely in our production. We work in the agriculture and architectural business mostly. That's who we cut and manufacture parts for. We cut everything from 1 millimeter up to 40 millimeter in mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. The major difference between the fiber and the CO2, well, there are a couple, but obviously the speed and also all the options that the new fiber lasers have with them, which includes the automatic centering, automatic nozzle changing, and a whole host of options that come with it. And the 6G movement was also a big selling point for us and a big improvement over the CO2 lasers and even over the fiber lasers we had. We have found that one high power fiber laser can replace 2 or 3 CO2 lasers. We first heard about Eagle on FabTech. We weren't interested in buying a machine at that point, but we heard about it. And once we came to that process of buying a machine, we did some research online, and we found that Eagle had a very good looking and a lot of good information on their website. The videos and research that we could do with that, combined with reaching out to their local dealers, we found we got very positive feedback. We also called with a few customers that were using Eagle already, and we got very positive reviews. We also sent Eagle some test parts that they cut for us, and they sent us videos for, and that turned out to be a very good selling point. We reached out to Paramount Machinery, and we worked with Eric, and we found them to be very helpful, and we liked the service that we received from them. As far as the working relationship between Eagle, Paramount, and us, we have found it to be very helpful and very good. We purchased the automation with the Eagle machine, the Crane Master. It's proven to be a game changer for us. It allows us to go 24 hours a day, and we have been able to increase our production 2 times due to that. We found that it's a very simple yet very strong and effective automation. I would say our production times, if you compare it to a CO2 lasers, we used to cut 10 millimeter material quite a bit, and our sheets would regularly cut for 2 hours per sheet. And with this high-powered laser, we have been able to minimize that down to 20 minutes per sheet. Yes, I would recommend an Eagle laser to anybody that's looking for a high-power machine, or any machine that they are looking for an increase in production and an increase in profits.